Oh god, I'm gonna get killed. No, come on, swipe! Damn it! Alright, we all know that green is sus.
But I was
Well, got away with that one. Time to find my next victim.
Pepper, what the hell are you doing with that in the hallway?
Wait, move. Gonna walk past alone, do some. Wait, what are you doing? Come on, man, let's go. No witnesses. Put that away. I got a plan. We can just vote off orange. Yeah, let's do that. Oh no! I need to tell the whole team. Guys, call the emergency. What the hell do you think you're doing here? You ain't going nowhere. Oh, poor pig. Don't lie to us. We saw you vent when you were in medbay. Now you cannot pretend. Yeah, I'm with Pepper. Between you and me, I saw him. And what about Science Body and Electrical? Weren't you and Pepper with? Yeah, but it doesn't mean anything because you also were there. And you were right around the corner when we walked out. So that definitely verifies you that you killed him. Poor little sucker. Now we're gonna win. And you're just gonna die in space. Why? Orange!